Let me stop you. I'm sorry, but we're not ordering treatment, we're ordering an evaluation. So assuming the evaluations recommend treatment, then that'll be ordered. Understood? Okay. Counsel, your appearance for Mr. Williams, please.
Morning, I'm Carol Chapman Morris. My case is 31887, and I'm here on behalf of Mr. Williams, who is present to my left. Tell your name, sir.
My name is Bill Williams.
Thank you, sir. Counsel, we're going to waive.
That's right. I have, this is Mary Whip, my client. The purpose of the preliminary examination and the standard, which is probably fine. And I'd like to schedule this, he wants to make the right case.
Thank you, counsel. Is that true? You understand your rights and options? And you understand the purpose for the exam? You know what it means to waive. It means your next court date's downtown. You're doing this freely and voluntarily? Satisfied, counsel?
Yes.
All right. I need signatures. Counsel, anything as to bond? Bond will be continued. I wish you luck downtown. Oh, really? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? You had no pen?
He had no, it's not there.
Do you have a bullet in your gun, Barney? He had no pen.
Where he always keeps it.
Couldn't find.
I mean, I think we should have a discussion about not being prepared to do your job.
Maybe you should give him a cards bigger.
I think we got to tether something to his wrist.
Here is an explanation by that.
Back on the record, counsel, with your appearance, please.
This thing was 82-107 on behalf of Mr. Oakley, who is my left, who is saying third big house charge.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Rowley, you had a chance to talk to Mr. Houchley? Okay. Recommendation for sentence?
Is 18 months probation, 10 days on the work program. Dual diagnosis treatment will be 21 days. If he does need some more time, I can work with him. And then minimum of 3 times for testing.
All right, so 18 months, 10 days. What was the evaluation? Give me that again.
A dual diagnosis of mental.
Mm-hmm. All right. Counsel, your turn.
Here, I think that's right. And kind of as we've discussed, the main goal here is to get some sort of treatment. And this is something that Mr. Ashley told me off that immediately that that's what he's looking for and that's what he's interested in. And so I do think that 21 days would certainly give him more than enough time to get enrolled in any kind of treatment as needed.
Let me stop you. I'm sorry, but we're not ordering treatment. We're ordering an evaluation. So assuming the evaluations recommend treatment, then that'll be ordered. Understood? Okay. All right, go ahead. I just want that clarification.
Thank you. Appreciate that. And I'm not, I don't know what your report's work program entails, but I think you think that's something that would be beneficial, but I think that would be beneficial. These are all things that I think whichever.
Yeah. Yeah. Let me do this. Work program is an alternative to jail for me. All right. I'd rather see you in treatment. So here's what I'll do. I'm going to suspend the work program just like I would suspend jail. If you are in treatment, and I'm talking about like inpatient treatment, then let me know. If you're in treatment for 10 days, I'm going to figure that's work program. You got it? Because I'd much rather have you on the inpatient track than the jail or alternative track. Okay? All right. Anything else, counsel? All right. So I'm going to do 18 months probation. When's the last time you had a job?
I've been working off the books for Elf Roofing for the last year,
Okay.
but I've been like, he's still the boss, that's right, and best friends since they were kids. He gets to share his job.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Plus, depending on weather, but once I get my tickets in order for my license, I can go back to being a union carpenter.
Okay. Good money. Yeah, good money. So what's the status with your driver's?
several tickets, I just have to pay them. And so the juggling of the pay versus being able to
Yep.
ride with my
Any,
daughter,
any idea what it costs to get your license back?
it's roughly $12,000. But the summer is coming,
Yeah.
the hot season, and for me to do that, I can probably do that
Yeah.
within the 2 months
Okay.
coming.
All right, but understand where my head is, and I hope your head is the same place. The first thing is to get you treated, get you healthy, get you clean, right? Okay, because everything else is better after that. Okay, so as much as you want to make money and get your license back, let's get some treatment under your belt. Okay. All right.
I'll put it in.
All right. How long you been in custody? All right, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put you on probation for 18 months. Obviously, the main thing is you stay out of trouble, no new charges. I'm ordering the evaluations within 21 days. I made a note for myself, work program or inpatient. That's just a note for myself. I'm not ordering either one at this point. I'm not going to give you any fines or costs. Yeah. What's that? I don't even have cards. Yeah, I'll get one off my desk. But her card is one you need because you got that. That's who you communicate. Yeah. You communicate with Ms. Trolley because she's your probation officer. Okay. So I want you in treatment. I want you in treatment. I want you in treatment. Okay. Any clarification? Ms. Trolley? Okay. Thanks for doing the rush job. All right. Good luck on your file downtown. You're welcome. He certainly has. Council, are we ready on Cox? What are we doing?
Yes, it's on the.
All right, appearances on the People versus Joseph Cox, please.
Morning, that is at 12:85:689. You have some comments, and pass, say your name, record, please.
That's just, Joseph Constable.
Thank you. Go ahead.
Today's the date and time set for the examination. It is now 12:08 by this court's clock. We did send subpoenas. The complaining witness initially stated to our office last month that she was not willing to proceed. However, we served her, or the officer in charge, named Toilet, served her on Thursday. It was the last week. And she indicated that she was coming. However, it is 12. Subpoena was for 11:30. It's past half hour and she's not here, therefore we cannot proceed.
Council. All right, did you post any cash? All right. 90% of that gets back to you. Anything else?
Judge, is he the one that, is there a big posted that says that he posted by credit card? We don't have the funds yet, so we can't do anything. When they.
Oh, yeah, it is. Understand that?
We don't.
You posted the bond on credit card, so we don't actually have money to give you back yet. But at some point when that comes through, we're gonna return 90%. What's that?
My card.
I don't know.
It's on my figure.
All right. Okay, good luck. Council, can you approach on something else? You're welcome. You. Sorry, that wasn't very clear. I just talked to Nippus from Romulus. And so, yeah.
Just be done.
Yeah, just shut it down. I just talked to
Nicholas,
Yes.
I didn't get the defendant's name.
Citizens being that Mr. Bose, then I was counted on with the surveillance stuff. Typically, I think it's guilty to one charge of disorderly conduct. The matter will be taken under advisement under 771.1 for a period of 6 months.
Thank you. Mr. Wells, do you understand your rights and options after discussing those with counsel? And do you understand the possible penalty for the charge? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to this charge freely and voluntarily? And would you voir dire
Thank you.
March 2nd, 2025?
On March 2nd, 2025, you were in Van Township, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
So you had an occasion to make contact with police on that day, correct?
Yes, sir.
Police stopped to investigate, because you were following somebody who had wrecked your car, correct?
Yes, sir.
When the police were asking you questions, you were responding back very loudly as to why they were stopping you, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And your response and you being loud, your loud exchange with the police was disorderly, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And there was other people who had gathered because of you being loud and disorderly, is that correct? And I'm satisfied.
So am I. I'll accept the plea. What should I know about Mr. Wells before I sentence him?
Your Honor, Mr. Wells, understand that, that situation, Your Honor, could have been handled better. He was in a fight with the singer, who had left the vehicle, following her slowly to make sure that she would be safe and trying to convince her to come back in the car. Your Honor, due to the high emotions he had during that situation, when the police came, emotions were still high. He understands he should have handled the situation better.
All right. Are you working?
I was, but I got fired because the stuff came on my record when I got.
Where were you working?
Top job, just
What do they do? Temp service?
driving, vehicles for a lot of.
All right. And how long did you have the job?
About a year.
Okay. All right. So off topic a little bit. Before you get out of the building, make sure you talk to Mr. Avery Taylor downstairs. If you're looking for work, he might have some options for you. He keeps a list of job openings in our area, and you're a local guy. Okay? You're welcome. All right. Anything else before I sentence you? All right. I'll delay sentence on this for 6 months. During that time period, you stay out of trouble, no new charges. Court costs are assessed in the amount of $300, and I'm ordering 2 days on the court work program as an alternative to jail. Can you pay the $300 today?
No,
Go down to the counter. You're going to do 3 things at that counter. Find out what your options are on payment, schedule your work days, 2 days, and talk to him about a job. Same place at the counter. All right. Good luck to you. You're welcome. McFarland.
Yeah, there, she's on Zoom.
And I respectfully sandwich knife. He sticks to a fix a carry on out Mr. McFarland. Right, all right, this time Mr. McFarland will be taking this matter, she will be paying as charged to motions, use the phone, be taken under advisement under 771.1 for a period of 9 months.
All right. Ms. McFarland, can you hear us all right?
Yes, sir.
All right. You understand your rights and options after discussing those with Mr. Jadala?
Yes.
You understand the possible penalty for this charge?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to that charge today?
Yes.
Council incident date shows July 3rd, 25, if you would do the voir dire.
Mr. McFarland, on July 3rd, 2025, reached out to certain family members via phone, is that correct?
I'm sorry.
You reached out to certain family members via phone on July 3rd of 2025, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
You did it multiple times where it became a form of kind of harassment, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And that was in Van Buren Township is where the person was, or you were there, correct?
Yes, sir.
I'm satisfied with the court.
All right, so am I. What should I know about Ms. McFarland before I sentence?
This is a family situation where custody was being kind of going back and forth with family members. Your Honor, she understands that that wasn't the way to handle the situation. She's gone through CPS. She's gone through CPS. She's learned better mechanisms on how.
Good.
So I believe this you will not be seeing this McFarland.
Good. Ms. McFarland, are you working?
I just recently lost my job,
Where
but
are you working?
yes, McDonald's,
All right. How long had you been there?
over a year.
Okay. You got anything lined up?
I'm placing things now.
Okay. All right. Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you?
No.
All right, I will delay sentence for 9 months. During that time period, you stay out of trouble, no new criminal offenses. Court costs are assessed in the amount of $400, and I'm ordering 3 days on the court work program as an alternative to jail. You pick those days, you schedule them yourself. I'm also ordering no contact with the complainants or their family members, as per the plea agreement with the prosecutor. Can you pay the
Okay.
400 today, or do you need options?
Options.
All right, so within 5 days, you need to be here in person to get scheduled on the work days and set up some kind of payment plan, or have that taken care of through the internet within 5 days. So you can go to our website or come in. It's going to be a lot easier on you if you can get a ride to the court to do it in person. Understood?
Yes.
Questions?
No.
Good luck. Thank you. Is that a TU or an FU? Terman or Furman? TU. Good morning, counsel. Your appearance while I look for the file.
Good morning, Your Honor. Trouble we start on behalf of Mr. Turner. Mr. Turner, get a turn.
Got you, Mr. Terman.
We come with the resolution here today. We're about the driving while license. It's a person operating no vehicle, and the civil infraction we reduced the
Yeah.
they go over the right, the possibilities, and all the
All right. Same thing as the last one. I'm not going to process the civil infraction. I'm just going to charge you more on the misdemeanor. So instead of processing 2 files, which means just paperwork for her, I'm just going to charge you a little bit more money on the allowing a licensed driver instead of charging you more on a double parking. Understood? I'm getting you in your pocket the same. It's just less work for us. Got it? All right. Did you discuss your rights and options with counsel? Understood those? You understand the possible penalty for the added charge? Understanding the possible penalty and understanding all your rights and options, are you in fact pleading guilty freely and voluntarily today? Counsel, August 30th, right? All right. Yeah. So on that date, did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied? I'll accept your plea. Thank you. What's the status of your license now, Mr. Terman?
currently it's revoked.
What's he got to do?
He has to have the hearing again with Secretary of State. Now,
Right.
here's the thing. He's had a couple hearings with Secretary of State
Right.
where he's gotten the restricted license.
Yeah.
Well, one of those one of those situations, something happened, malfunction with the device. And of course, they would have scheduled another hearing
Back to square one.
back to square one, but he was going through a divorce.
Yeah.
He didn't get that notice.
Yeah.
He missed it and they
Yeah.
revoked his license.
Look, I've been doing this a long time, so I'm going to give you some advice. Hire an attorney. Not just any attorney. You got to hire an attorney that does those license restorations because they know the ins and outs. They'll know based on the hearing officer what you got to have to show them when you get there. It's expensive, but how much time have you lost now without your license? Yeah. And that's costing, right? So seriously, talk to a licensed restoration expert. I think you'll be money ahead. You'll be money ahead. All right. So back to business. Are you working?
Well,
Where were you working?
see it.
Okay. All right. How long had you been there? Oh, damn. Anything happening? Anything in the works? Job wise.
Like, he's looking for a new job, he gets some lined up.
Oh, he's looking for work. You don't work 13 years if you don't want to work. Yeah. So you're looking for a job. What do you got? Anything in the hopper? All right. Without a driver's license, do you have reliable transportation? You got family member, a friend or something that can get you around?
Father, dad, here, mandatory.
Yeah. Damn. Yeah, you can't afford not to have your license. All right. Well, first thing I'm thinking is go downstairs, make sure you talk to Avery Taylor. Mr. Taylor can tell you some companies in this area that are looking for work right now. So it might not be the job you want, but get a job, get some money coming in if you can. All right. Man, sucks because no bus lines. Because while you're off work, I'd like to give you some work days instead of money. Instead of fines and costs, I'll give you more work days, but you got to be here that days. And that means dad's got to get you here at 8 o'clock in the morning for a bunch of days.
You know, if you assess fines and costs, how much would that total be?
Well, if I'm going to hit him extra for the double parking, it's usually $700. Plus I usually order work program or community service, which is all transportation problems. I'll tell you what, how about we do this? Why don't I give you a sentencing date? I won't sentence you today. I'll take your plea. I'll set a sentencing date like sometime in December. Just see if your situation's, because right now your situation's kind of smelly, right? Hopefully you're in a better situation in September. We can talk.
Say you cut the work program, how much would it cost?
If I just did your fines and costs today, I because of your circumstance, how bad things are, and I don't want to kick you when you're down, it'd be $700 and I'll give you some kind of payment plan. You want to just do that and just bite the bullet and do that? All right.
And Judge, he has 180 fine.
All right, well, good. That'll apply. The 180 will apply. You got 180 on the civil infraction, so that'll apply towards the 700. All right. But I know it's money, but man, you gotta find the scratch to hire an attorney to get your license straight. All right. So you just, I'm not gonna say anything here about that bond. Just put that in that file. You're gonna say apply to this file.
Yep.
All right. So go downstairs and they'll tell you what your options are as far as payment plans and so on and so forth. And don't forget, talk to Mr. Taylor and see if he's got any job opportunities that sound like it might work for you. Good luck.
Take care, appreciate it.